At 2,000 meters in altitude, Taipingshan Forest Recreation Area is not only known for having snow in the winter, but is also home to 100 years of forestry history going back to the Japanese rule. And since we're here in this historical treasure trove, riding the Bong train is an absolute can't miss. Off we go!
It's like we're in a fairy tale. You can see all the clouds. It's beautiful.
This is our Taipingshan Forest Recreation Area. The altitude is about 2,000 meters or so. The forest here originally was mostly red cypress and Taiwan cypress. Early on, it was one of Taiwan's three major forestry areas. The three areas were Alishan, Baixianshan, and Taipingshan. Taipingshan was the last to be exploited. The Bong train that we're on now was originally a timber transport line. Originally, it transported logs.
Logs?
After trees were cut down, they had to be transported away.
Right. Then what about now? Is there still logging?
Not anymore.
Now it's all conservation.
Yes. After 1980, logging natural forests was banned.
It makes for good scenery now. It looks beautiful.
I climbed a lot of mountains, but this is the first time I've gone by train.
Really? I rode the Ulai log cart once. Ulai has one, but it isn't as high.
From the Bong train, you can see Taipingshan Villa. Yes.
The green mountains and the clouds are so beautiful.
The historical sites along the way are reminders of the golden age of forestry here. But with the end of logging, this forest became a forest recreation area, giving everyone a chance to get to know Taipingshan. Located in the park, the Taipingshan Club is a two-floor structure built from Taiwan cypress. It's over 80 years old. It's now a historical site with professional tour guides to introduce the culture and history behind it.
The moment I walked in, I smelled a woody scent.
Well, that's one of Taiwan cypress's impressive traits. 87 years and it's still fragrant.
Wow, such a long time.
It's so relaxing.
Have a seat. You can take your shoes off and put them there.
Are these little rooms bedrooms? Japanese style?
Yes, this used to be a hotel. Back in the day, government officials would come to inspect the logging, and the ecosystem here attracts a lot of naturalists too. They came to do research. This way, please. If you're over 175 centimeters tall, make sure you watch your head.
I will. Me too.
This room is so pretty.
Yes.
There's a lot of stuff here.
This room is focused on two naturalists who came to Taipingshan. The first is a real big name. He came to Taipingshan in 1918. His name was Ernest Henry Wilson. The second one was Kano Tadao. When he came to Taipingshan, a swallowtail butterfly happened to fly down from a tree. He found it incredibly beautiful, so he painted it. This painting, right here.
Amazing.
It's beautifully done.
This way, please.
Oh, walking through here, this house seems quite large. How big is it?
More than 330 square meters. This way, watch your head. Have a look at this model and you'll see. Yes, in this model you can see building A with 2 floors.
Oh, that's right.
And building B with 1 floor. Right now we're in building B. Okay, before only high officials and VIP could enter building A.
Oh, so not everyone could get in.
No. This was painted from a photo from 1958. Logging in this area peaked in the 1960s. So at that point, there were more than 2,000 residents here.
That's so many people.
Incredible, right?
So more than 2,000 people came here to live? Did they all come for logging?
Yes, originally there was an enormous logging base, so supporting over 2,000 people was no problem.
In the former Taipingshan Club, memories of the past are on display. Each precious old photograph brings to vivid life the bitter and the sweet of the people who depended on logging to feed their families during the golden age of forestry.
This way, please. Come and experience our luxury parlor.
Wow.
Have a seat. You got to have a seat.
Is this the legendary building A?
Yes, only officials and VIPs could enter.
Wow.
Have a seat.
Right now I feel like a VIP.
Yeah. Is that a radio?
Yes, it's a radio.
And what an Asian TV.
Yeah, and it's huge.
Now that I'm in this room, you know what? Imagine the people that built this place nearly 100 years ago. Based on the design and how careful it is, they must have had an excellent taste. It's also beautiful.
They had great workmanship back then.
Every bit is as good as now. Look, staying here must have been very comfortable.
That's right.
On a detailed tour of different parts of this house built from cypress wood, we feel the imprint of the past and discover just how calm and carefree life amidst the mountains can be. Keep going up to the central steps to reach the highest elevation temple in Yilan, Zhen'an Temple. It was once a Japanese shrine, and in 2020 it was designed as a historical building. Behind the temple stands a primeval cypress forest, where ancient trees reach for the sky. It's a wonderful place to bask in the forest's coolness. Come to Taipingshan Forest Recreation Area and you too can enjoy a trip with something for both mind and soul. Hey Will, we have got good today.
It feels so good.
Wow.
This hot spring.
Oh, it's awesome.
The temperature is just right. This is a calcium
Yeah.
carbonate spring.
Oh my god. And the weather is so good.
It really is.
I have gone to plenty of hot springs in Taiwan, but it's the prettiest and best design and the color is incredible.
Yeah,
It's so blue.
so blue. Jiuzhize hot spring was originally where loggers came for a soak to relax after a day of work.
So you're so lucky. We didn't have to cut down any trees before coming here to relax.
That's right.
I noticed back there, some of the rocks have a hole on them.
Yeah, you can soak in them too. Wanna go?
Of course.
The rock-
Wow, it's these ones.
These are all real stone.
And there's a hole in every one.
So cool. You're going to make it overflow.
I'm getting in. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Wow, it feels great.
This is just right for sitting in. Not too hot.
Yeah, just right.
Yeah, just right. It's cold.
And it's well designed. There's another seat here for another person to sit.
You've got a double. This is a single.
Over here.
Two can soak together.
Oh, it's for lovers. Lovers rock.
This feels so good. Sitting on rocks like this really feels like being in nature.
Ah, it does. Jiuzhize hot spring was originally a bathhouse built by Japanese loggers. It's fed by a geothermal spring 2,200 meters underground. The water is clear, colorless, odorless, and weakly alkaline. The sodium bicarbonate spring relaxes the muscles, improves the skin. It's been dubbed Beauty Bath. In this verdant green valley, travelers can enjoy both forest and hot spring. In addition, there's another way to enjoy the hot spring here.
Yeah. I had no idea that aside from soaking, you can also cook in the hot spring.
That's right.
I've eaten onsen eggs before, but I've never cooked one myself. The water here looks like it's boiling. Don't stick your hand in or you'll get burned. It's really hot.
Oh, do we need to separate the eggs and corn?
Yeah, because I think the cooking time is different. The guy said 10 minutes for the eggs and 20 minutes
Oh.
for the corn. Yeah, corn takes longer, so we'll cook them separately.
Oh, first, we'll put the eggs safely in this basket.
This really feels like being in nature. Take the bamboo.
Oh, and it's sticking here.
Oh, you can stick it there.
Oh, now it's not going anywhere.
Now for the corn, I'll put it in.
1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, wait a minute. I'm disappearing. Where am I? Oh, the steam.
It's incredibly hot.
Jiuzhize hot spring has 2 basins for cooking eggs. They stay steaming hot year-round so tourists can cook their own eggs and corns. Onsen eggs are soft and tender and have a unique taste of their own. Eggs and corn make a great follow-up for a nice soak. The park also has trails and a bridge. Come to Jiuzhize for the soothing beauty of a mountain river.